Hello, my name is Rishabh Karmakar and this is my project of facial recognition based attendance management system. It is coded in Python with the user interface made in tkinter. Now the models and the ML extensions are achieved using OpenCV, TensorFlow and Keras, while SQLite 3 is used as a database. So I guess without further ado, let us walk through it. This is the first page or the origin page using which everything can be performed. We can see welcome to the Smart College Facecam, and this dialog box is linked with an SQLite 3 database. But before that, let me demonstrate you one thing. You can see here we have this attendance and this class file. Let me quickly open it. So you can see I have deleted all the names and the roll numbers in it. So just for this demonstration, similarly in the attendance.xls there are no entries in it. Okay, now we move on. This, as I said, is linked with a database. If I normally know nothing, if I do false something, it will say that the username and password is invalid, while using the correct, one can easily log in. This is a page of a successful login, and after this we get a page called "Did you think that was enough?" Now what I've thought of is that since that is linked with a database or using easy social engineering, one can usually obtain the username and password of the teacher or such. So for creating a better security or authentication, I have decided that to open or to further continue operations, it can be performed using an authentication factor of a master face or an admin face print. That is, one has to show their face in front of the camera, and only if it is the admin or the master face print can further operations be performed. Let me quickly demonstrate you that. As I've said earlier, it opens up a camera interface using which the master or the admin has to show their face so as to further continue. Now as you can see here, loading MTCNN detection model, and the model loaded. The reason why I have kept my finger or why you can't see anything here is because this model is extremely fast. So as you will clearly see, as soon as I remove my fingerprint, it will be authenticated very quickly. Just see that. See, as soon as I slightly showed my face, the model I was recognized as the admin and further access was given. This is authentication successful. Click to proceed further.
Authentication successful. Welcome. Please browse through your options.
This is a smart college. Welcome to the facial recognition attendance system. Here, for now, I have only implemented 3 options, that is click to register a new student, give attendance and view attendance. Now, before continuing, I would like to again highlight the files from earlier, that is classes. As we can see, there are no entries here, and attendance, which has a similar fate. Now, back to the interface. Click to register a new student. Let her register. Click here. Everything is happening in the backend. You can see loading MTCNN face detection model. This works that your 128 feature map is created of your face. I'm going to create, please input new username, Rishabh, a desired roll number, let's say 32. Now I have to move my face left, right and center so that 128 features of every side is recorded. We'll see that. Now that is done. Now if we see here, so as we saw, out of the whole background, it just highlighted the facial part, and as I demonstrated, this is a one-time process that we have to do. But other than that, now let us see the changes here that have been made. Again, in the attendance file, there's no difference because sincerely we have not given any kind of attendance, but in the classes.xls we can see that there's a new entry here, Rishabh, with the roll number of 32. Surely. Now let me also quickly highlight you this file, which now has stored my name, my left side of features using relative positions, that is this, my right features, and my center features, the 128 features of my face. Moving on, the add new student part, let us see the attendance part. Let me click on give attendance. It is working. Now this is supposed to be in such a way that the webcam will be turned on and all the students will just come, show their face and just leave. Whereas in such the process, their attendance will be marked automatically in the XLS sheet. Let me demonstrate it. The camera sensors, see, I have kept the confidence level at 70%. We can obviously increase that, but as you can see, my accuracy right now is very big. My name is showing. If I go front, large, just 1 second of face showing is needed. Right here, if I even remove my specs, there's not much change in the accuracy, and that is what I wanted to demonstrate. Now we have seen that, okay, my face is being demonstrated, my face is being recognized. Okay, let me show you. Now in the attendance field, attendance.xls. Now let us open the attendance sheet. We can see that there, if I click under Rishabh, roll number 32, I scroll a bit, date 24/3/2020, I am marked as present. This is what I was going to demonstrate. Now if we look at a clear thing, if we look at an interesting thing, that is, I'll just close this file. I'll change today's date. I've changed the date such that today is now 25th. We go again to this thing, give attendance again. It is performing again. This the give attendance should be happened only once after in the morning, let's say, such that the webcam is on and the students can just show their face and leave. Now the date is 25th. Keep that in mind. Again, as earlier, my face is recognized. I close this. Let us view attendance. If I click here, see, view attendance, it opens Rishabh 24 and 25. Now I am present. I did not do a single thing. The appending of the date is happening naturally. Similarly, in the attendance sheet, we can see that Rishabh Karmakar 24/25 is present. So that was the whole project. So this was the project, and I sincerely thank you for going through it. If you have any kind of doubts, the link to the GitHub repository is given, and I sincerely hope that you like it. This was Rishabh Karmakar signing off.